share some 5-minute speech with you all. I am Ferdinand Lingdor. I was born in a village called Mokarwan. I was born as a hearing child. I was born with good hearing. My family are very happy, but when I was 10 years old, I met with an accident, bike accident. Then slowly my hearing was decreased. I was worried and I got confused and I have lost all my hope. But one day, I felt that God have given me something so powerful deep in my heart. I started studying, I started my education. Later on, now I am currently pursuing my PhD, a linguistic in Nehru. Still for person with disability. I have met so many challenges. I see people with disability have many problems, challenges in their daily life. People get difficult in getting jobs. So many of them with good education but don't have jobs. Last year I started a company named Ekambha. I give job to 12 persons with disability. I give them free training. 17 people. Now, I am very happy to share this with you all. I am also very happy to be invited for this by the United America Ambassador to attend a 1-month leadership program. I am also included in a 330 disability diversibility our company Ekambha got recognized as the top 10 from Prime Meghalaya. And also top 75 startup in Prime Meghalaya and top 10 startup from the Northeast, IIM Kolkata. I want to share with you that we all have challenges, we all have dreams, but we should overcome all these challenges. I always want to help others, and this is my dream. We will all work together.